Welcome, today I'm with Sony Xperia 5 Mark III and I will show you the loudest speaker level of this device. I'm gonna measure sound level with this decibel meter. It's set up to the maximum volume mode, and it means that these values right here will only change when this device registers the highest volume level than the previous one. So let's start. I'm gonna turn on this device at the highest volume level for sure, as you can see, so let's go. And as you can see, Sony Xperia 5 Mark III reached 107.6 decibels. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.